What's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy in jeans, and we back at it again, man. I'm in my garage, as you can see, man, and we got Machete Nephew with us today in the garage. We about to get it in real quick. So we got a baby proof a little bit. Zip tie king right here, man. This is a tripping hazard. So we about to zip tie this right here, cause he dang near just fell over it.
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
We baby proofing, toddler proofing.
Baby proofing, you see that?
Alright, so today, man, I'm about to try to yank these. This the moment of truth. I was really winging it, I ain't gonna lie. So, I'm about to yank these pistons out. And I'm really gonna find out if the owner put some forged rods, integrated rods inside of it. So, I really don't know right now at this point. But I'm about to get up under here and loosen these piston rods, push these boys up and see if I got some IE rods under here. If I do, that's a score. That means I'm saving like 600 bucks. So, I don't know. Hopefully I do. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
So, y'all know, man, I ordered a bunch of parts from Integrated Engineering. So my custom intake manifold, big port intake manifold, man, is on back order, man. That's a big bummer, man. These dudes told me that I'm the second one to order it, so I've been waiting the longest. I'm the second person. Well, the person that's been waiting the second longest. So it's only one person that's been waiting longer than I have for this manifold. And I called them. It's like what, almost February now? Man, they told me my junk not gonna be here to March, bro. That is horrible, dog. So I've been waiting 6 months for an intake manifold. And you know how long I waited for this dang on head, my built AEB head. This is definitely a slow process, but we're gonna get it going. I'm trying to see if I can work out a deal with them, cause it's kind of unacceptable, bro. I mean, like when you buy something, you expect to get it. I mean, like a month, 2 months, but it's like it's going on 6 months. So it will be 6 months. So see if they work out some stuff with me. See if I can get a discount on some, maybe like some forged pistons or something. That'll do it. But I don't know. We got that in the end of works, though. I'm gonna see what it do, cause they typically don't get discounts, but this is a unique circumstance. So I'm gonna definitely let y'all know how Integrated Engineering handle their customer service. Pick it up and see.
Yeah. Okay. It's cold.
It's cold.
What you do that?
One of these. This type of stuff gonna turn the 30-minute project into a couple hours. Easily. Every time.
Easy, baby. Come here. Since you told him that, he been wanting it because he can see you better on that side.
Oh, yeah. See, I'm hit. Turn this boy into a racetrack.
For real.
And this is why kids get hurt when they're around the made out.
Just figured it out. For real. The guidance is terrible when you're around. Ain't that right, guys?
Bro, come on. This is why projects like this take so long when you don't got the right tools. When you lose tools, leave tools. Real life missing some stuff. They got the charger map, and you can like so we input the directions in the Tesla GPS. It'll show you charging stations along the way, so you can go to like supercharging station. That's what we did when I played baseball.
But is it you still running into that? What if I don't have enough to get to that next charging station? You know what I'm saying? Where gas is like. There's always a gas station along the way.
Yeah, every corner right now. Yeah. But I mean, if electric pop off though, that way it'll be like that for a charging station too though.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be everywhere.
And you probably be able to charge it in like 5 minutes or probably less than that.
Yeah, because I think they got it under right now 30 minutes. They got it 30 minutes there to get you up to 75%.
That supercharger, bro, is a beast. Like we drove to Ohio and my boss Tesla, we charged it once when we got into Ohio. And then we didn't charge it on the way back. We just Drop it straight back.
You know what would be sweet? And on top of that, you know what they could do? I mean, it would get real expensive if they put like what am I thinking of? Shoot. Solar panel on the car. On the car. So where it's at least getting some charge, at least 20%. Because the car will always be outside.
Yeah, you know, they got that regenerative braking though. So like every time you brake, it charges the battery with that energy.
Oh yeah, that's kind of So they just pretty much turn mechanical energy into electrical.
Yeah.
It's a transport. Oh, that's
every time you hit the brake.
That's actually pretty cool though. I never even thought about that. I never even looked that up. I never saw that.
Yeah, that's pretty legit. Very ingenious.
Yeah, it is. And Dante, he work at FCA. He said he be having fun at work. He work in the labs.
Yeah.
And they had like state-of-the-art labs there. He said he be in the lab doing testing and stuff all the time. Cause first he was doing product design.
Right.
I don't want to do product design. CAD fun, but it's nothing that I want to like do every day.
Honestly, bro, I wouldn't mind being a manufacturing engineer.
A manufacturing engineer?
Yeah. I mean, you ain't tied to the line. You just like supporting.
You just supporting whatever is needed or something. If something go wrong,
something messed up.
That too. I'll be a manufacturing engineer because it's kind of easy if you think about it. It's an easier job. Quality engineer.
I used to want to do quality, bro, but I don't, cause quality is like you testing the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
I want new problems.
So
I'm not trying to go too crazy.
Yeah, I ain't trying to be. I mean, say if I start enjoying it, and the company that I'm with, I'm enjoying it, I'll stay with it even after I become a millionaire. I just use their money as my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Pocket change.
I don't have no problem working with nobody at all.
Yeah. But I'm definitely trying to get it to where if anything happen, I don't gotta worry about this job is gonna fund me.
Right.
I think that's why God's taking me through this right now. It's like, alright, you had your little ventures that you was doing, but it wasn't.
Nah. What in the world they got this thing sealed with?
What you taking off, the block in there?
I'm trying to take off the oil pan. Bro, he really sealed this junk with like a bunch of glue. Like, bro, if I get this junk to fall, it's probably just gonna fall straight on my head.
He gonna be fucked. He gonna be
Pissed. Bro, like, it should not have this much glue on here. Like, bro, what was you doing? It don't take this much RTV sealant, bro, to seal nothing. Oh, you know what, bro?
That is crazy.
Huh?
Your body acts as a natural ground.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a continuity tester.
Yeah.
It just, when a circuit complete.
And then it turns green or red?
Yeah, it just makes sure it's not no breaks in the wires. Is it another bolt? It can't be. Gotta be another bolt. Here, bro.
Yeah, cause I was watching his, it was pure. I was just like, yeah, I enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it.
Alright. You know what happened again, bro? It's 2 more bolts in here.
It's not.
Don't be like me, man.
It's always 2 more.
Do not be like me.
About to fuck the whole car. What are you doing? The oil pan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you about to put the whole oil pan
Yeah, it's gonna have all type of leaks when I go and put it back together. I'm about to put more RTV than he put on it. Said, oh yeah, I was beating on that a little bit.
Just a little
Yeah, let's compensate. Damage control. Alright. Whoa! We coming down.
Oh shit.
This one probably, you probably can't see nothing. The lighting is terrible. Oh, maybe he wasn't lying. He definitely got some rods in here. I don't know what this is that was in my filter though. Probably some pieces from something. Plastic. What? I'm about to unbolt these things and I'm gonna push these piston rods up. That's gonna be it for right now. I got my spare block though. I'll probably take that block, take it apart just like I did this one. That one would be way easier. I don't gotta get on the ground. This I really hated to do it. I didn't want to do it at all. But I'm gonna show y'all when I'm pushing them up, break these bolts loose, and we about.
If you don't got one of these, you need one of them.
Right, you sleeping. Hey, y'all can see right here, man, I got this little mini bike. So in the summer, man, we probably gonna do something to it. It's real obnoxious. Got a bigger carb on it. Straight pipe exhaust. Got a billet flywheel in it. Larger valve springs. It's pretty reckless, to say the least, bro. Like you can't ride it. I need to stretch it. So, I don't know. That might be something I do.
Is it still hitting wheelies off the throttle?
Bro. My dad couldn't ride it, bro. He came up here, like, the throttle was so sensitive, bro. It's 12 o'clock with Willie's. If you give it too much, 12 o'clock all day. It's ridiculous, bro. And it don't have no suspension, so when you hit a bump, bro, my knees be buckling. I be scared, bro. Every time I get on that, I fear for my life. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's like
cost of the game, though.
It probably, like, bro, literally, speed limit, people probably do like 40. Like, I be passing cars and they be going 40 miles per hour, like, whoa! And then they be a pothole in the wall. I be like, oh, I'm going down this bad. And my knees literally be shaking. That's a death trap right there, literally.
This is why they say women live longer than men.
Literally, bro. Cause like I know that I should not be riding it, but I continually ride it like every week in the summer, bro. It makes no sense. Makes no sense. Man, I hate that I messed up this motor, man.
Hey, it's the cost of the game.
Yeah, that is the name of the game. Gotta chuck that one up.
If you ain't breaking nothing, then you ain't fixing nothing.
That's a terrible philosophy. I think we gotta stand still. Tools, man. Gotta have the right tools.
Key to the game. If you don't got the right tools, then you are
Losing.
always losing.
Losing. Dang.
But he died in mid-stride. Like, he went down and get some prey and he just stayed.
I'm falling now. Can't get up. We didn't make it home to see the life of kids.
We was just talking about family. Rest in peace, my dog.
R.I.P. my dog Dragon. D-Fly is what we used to call him.
He was clutch. He always came through with the killing of the insects when we needed him to.
Killer D. Wasn't no punk in his blood.
Yo, you said a mosquito? I got you. You said another dragonfly? Shoot, that's just the cost of the game. Did you put this ratio on here or it came like this?
What you talking about?
This air fuel ratio.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, we about to switch this angle up, Machete.
Got it. Nice.
Yeah! Number one. Well, that's not number one cylinder, but it's one. Woo, look at that. Oh, these Tuscan rods. Tuscan? Okay. Legit. Either way, they forged rods that was in here, man. Had no real idea if they was some forged rods in here. He told me. And I ain't really had no proof. He sent me some pictures, but I just went out on a limb, man. Trusted him, man. I mean, he's a man of his word. So I got Tuscan rods in here, man. I'm gonna yank all these things out, and then I'm gonna start prepping my other block. We about to get it. I'm probably bore the cylinder out a little bit, just like 5 millimeters. Nothing major, just to clean up the hole. We gonna get it, man. As always, man, I appreciate anybody and everybody for watching my videos. Today we tore apart the block. As you can see, man, I got some 4 Tuscan rods that came out of this block. So I got a spare block. I'm gonna yank these piston tops off of it, bore my block a little bit. I'm gonna bore it like 5 millimeters, and we're gonna slap it together. We're gonna throw this motor all the way in there once we get it. But I appreciate anybody and everybody for watching my videos. And if you feel so inclined, man, make sure you blow up that like button, man, turn on that notification bell, and definitely share it to a friend or a family, man. I'm out of here. Real spit. Janky was on some bullcrap today.
He definitely was. He was supposed to be here.